welcome back to my channel. This is Naturally Elsie. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my video. Please make sure to like if you like the content, and make sure to subscribe and share if you haven't already. And yeah, today I'll be just showing you guys some stuff I got. Like, as you can see by the title, it's an unboxing video. I haven't seen the stuff yet, and I'm very excited to see them because for some reasons I just really love what I got, but then I haven't seen how it comes. As you guys know, sometimes when you order from online, you do not get the exact thing that you ordered. But yeah, let's just hope for the best. So I'll be getting my first reaction with you guys, and yeah, let's hope it's the best. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so the first item is this. So these I have already unboxed. To be honest, I've even worn it for almost like 5 days, but I decided to share with you guys because it's really nice, and I was like, yeah, let me just share this in my, in my family, with my squad. I want you guys to be benefiting from the nice things that I have. So yeah, I'll be sharing this with you guys because it's also very, very important. So this is my hair bonnet, a hair bonnet I got just recently. Like guys, it was super cheap, but then it's just the best hair bonnet I've ever found online. I don't know, like maybe you have a better version, but this is the best I have found, and I decided to share with you guys because yeah, that's who I am. Anyway, so this is it, and it has like 2 layers of silk. As you guys can see, there's like the gray layer and then the black layer, and you can wear either side. You can wear either on this side or on this side. And then it also came with like an adjustable string. You know, sometimes when you have like, you buy a bonnet and then it's just like a band, and then maybe it's too tight on your head, but there's no way you can, adjust it. But then this one comes with an adjustable string. If you want it tight, if you have a big head like mine, you can just like make it loose just so that blood can circulate around your head. So yeah, this is the first thing, and yeah, there's a lot on the paper, and I'm not going to read that for you guys, but this, I tell you guys, is 100%, like it's the best so far. So yeah, I'll be linking the prices or the links in the description box, sorry, and if you guys want, you can go and get for yourself. Yeah, let's see. Is I don't know what is in here, but I know it's a bag. Basically, most of these are just bags, to say the most. So I don't know what bag it is, but let's see. Oh my god. So like I said, I'll be inserting the pictures from online somewhere here or somewhere there, and then we'll compare with what I got and then see if it was a win or it was an L. Oh my god. Okay guys, this is how the first bag looks like. I'll be putting the picture somewhere, and guys, this bag is really cute, but then I'm so shocked because I wasn't expecting it to be so small. To be honest, on the picture it looks bigger, but in reality it's really, really small. But then it's so cute. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's super, super cute. Look, like I don't know, the material thing going on, I don't know how to describe. And then this little part you can hold. Like guys, this bag is a 10. It's a 10 on 10. My only problem is it's small. And then inside, okay, we have the hand, so you can as well, you can just hang it here if you want, or you can just hold it like this if you want. It's really cute. Like, oh my god, I've been wanting this bag for so long. I haven't really seen it with anybody yet, or maybe there are people who are wearing it but I haven't seen it. And yeah, I'm happy with what I got, although it's small. Like, if you want to buy this bag, just know that it's small, but it can take your phone and your lipstick, but nothing much. So yeah, let's move on to the second bag. And yeah, let me just go ahead. As you can see, it's still sealed. And let me just go ahead and open it, and then, oh, okay, oh my god, my bags are here. Okay guys, these I bought 2 because for some reasons I just saw it on the model, like I saw it online, and I thought it was so cute. Like, honestly, I liked the blue, the green, and the yellow, but I didn't, read that so much. So I was confused on what colors to choose, and finally I got two. I just got the green and the yellow because I got this one in blue. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get the green and the yellow. So yeah, these are them, and let me see how it looks. I'm super excited for this bag, guys. I'll be putting the picture on the model. It looked really cute. I don't know, like guys, this bag is cute. It's cute. Let me touch and see. Oh my god. Okay. Ah, but it is super short. How do I hang this? Okay, I don't know how, but on the model it looked a bit longer when she carried it. In real life it's a bit short, but I guess the color is the same, and the size is the same too, I think, almost. I don't know, was this what I saw? Anyway, but I'm not really sad about this bag. I'm just okay, like, when I put stuff in it, it will just give it the shape. And yeah, it's this kind of material, like I don't think it will get dirty, because it's like, even if it does, we can just wipe it and that's it. So yeah, I'm happy with this bag. I really have nothing to say other than the strap. I don't know, the handle, the strap, the whatever you call it, is quite small, like it's short. I don't know, maybe if I hold it like this it will make sense, but like this, I don't know. It feels like some, like I'm going to shop in the market. Anyway, I'm happy for this bag. And then let's see the yellow one really quickly. I guess they're the same thing. This is how the yellow one looks like. For the yellow one, are they okay? Yeah, for the yellow one, guys, the color is a tiny bit yellow than what was on the picture. Like what was online, it was like a dimmer yellow. I don't know, forgive my colors, but like it wasn't this bright. But then I'm not complaining, it's still cute. And yeah, so for this bag, I don't know, I can rate it like an 8 or a 7. It's not really like a 10 like the first one was just bomb. Like apart from the size, I was just like, yeah, this is a 10. Anyway, this will be a 7 or an 8 bag. And let's see what it is. By the way, guys, if you hear some noises, the AC is on, so just forgive me for that. Okay, this is the next bag. It's really this little cute love shaped bag. I don't know, guys, if you guys can see. Let me just open it quickly. See how cute this bag is, guys. It's really cute. And because I don't have anything red, so when I saw this, I was like, okay, when you just want to carry your lipstick or something very little, but you don't want to carry a big bag, this will come in handy. So yeah, for this bag, I don't have any problem. Like the quality is good, the material is good, the zip, I don't know if you guys can see, is like, I don't know, are you guys seeing? Yeah. And then it has this like this chain strap or whatever you call it, if you want to carry it like on your skin or something. I'll be showing you guys pictures of how I would carry it. So yeah, it's just like this, and it's really tiny. You can just put a lipstick inside and maybe gum, and that's it. You can't carry your phone or anything. It's just for fashion. And yeah, for this bag, I'll give it a 10/10. The size is perfect like it was online, and yeah, I was expecting it to be small, so no problem. A 10 for the amount. It's a 10. This is our last and final bag, and yeah, this one came in the carton. So let me quickly get the scissors, and then yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm so impressed with the size. Oh my god. Guys, this is the last bag. It's so cute. I wanted this bag for so long, and for some reasons I saw it like, where people buy online and then they're, like they write something below, like, was it good, wasn't it good? Like a lot of people said it was so small. So I was thinking in my mind, I was like, okay, you know what, I just like the bag, and for this price I'm going to get it. Whether it's like so tiny, I'm going to get it. But then guys, it's not that small. Like, it's actually the perfect size. Like, this is the size I want for a bag. I'm already tiny, like, so why should I be carrying a very big bag? So yeah, this is, I don't know, let me just check inside and then before I rate it. But from the outside, it's really cute. Like the other one is just this kind of material. You don't really need to do any cleaning. It's just gonna be clean all the time. So yeah, and because it's black, it's universal. So this bag, guys, you'll be seeing it many times. That's if I post pictures. I don't know, but if you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably be seeing this bag on me. So yeah, just go and follow right now if you have not followed me yet. Okay, so let's go into the bag. And then, okay, this bag just comes with the black strap. Nothing serious, nothing too much. Yeah, so that's if in case I want to carry it on my shoulders. Otherwise, this is just how it looks like. I love this bee thing. I don't know, this should probably be a brand, but whatever, I don't know. I just love the bag and I think it's so cute, guys. What do you guys think? I'll rate this bag a 10 because it's just no words. This is a 10 for the apps, whatever you call them. I don't really like it that much, but otherwise the bag itself is good. I like the size and the colors I love, and maybe I'll be getting the blue one, just maybe. Otherwise, all of these bags are just what I ordered, and I'm really grateful for the prices because it wasn't expensive. Anyway, you guys will just be seeing the prices on the screen, and yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for staying all the way to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, you know, will just go ahead to get one of these because it's really cheap, and you'll thank me later. Anyways, too much talking. Bye guys, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, if you like such content, just leave me a message or a comment in the comment section to bring more of such hauls, and I'll be definitely bringing because I'm always shopping. Like, guys, I'm always buying. I'm confessing. Probably if my roommates will watch this, she'll be like, oh yeah, you finally confessed. But that's the truth. I'm always buying. So yeah, and I always buy cheap stuff. So if you want a cheap plug, come to me, mama. Okay, anyway, bye, and see you in my next video.